Hey guys, welcome to this van tour of a medium wheelbase Volkswagen Crafter in our Rudi layout. The customers previously had a transporter conversion and they wanted to upgrade, so they weren't just going away for weekends at a time, but were off-grid for weeks or months at a time in a van that is comfortable and has all of the features that they were after. I'm going to talk about the external features of this van because it's really unique in the way that it looks. We've got a matte black wrap to the top half of the build, coupled with a Raptor textured skirt to the lower half. This ties in really nicely with the Rogue alloys and the all-terrains to give a really rugged off-road look to the van. We've coupled this with the flares, the ladder and the fifth wheel carrier on the back, which again are all Raptor painted in a textured black, and we think this ties in really nicely to give this van a unique feel. Moving inside the conversion, we've got the Rudi layout has 3 seats at the front area, 2 swivel captain's chairs, and the dining table separates the box seat as well. So it's a really open space at the front of the conversion, and the layout works really nicely. The customers also wanted to remove the parcel shelf and curtain option from this build, instead opting for some Remis blinds to give them that privacy at the front of the van. And what this has done is this has really opened up the space in the cab area to make a really nice open feel. You've also got a window on the sliding door and next to the box seat on the offside as well, so you can look at the views when you're parked up. The kitchen unit in this Rudi build features additional storage next to the fridge. This is because the customer wanted to feature a twin induction hob on top rather than a single, so we've utilised the space really nicely. It ties in really well with the extendable worktop that we've put on these heavy duty hinges, so that you can fold down the worktop when you're not using it, but if you need additional storage space you can flip it up. We've also got the undermounted sink, which is a feature that we put into all of our van conversions with the butcher block inserts. Again, this creates a really nice space for you to put your chopping board and prep your food. We like to put these domestic looking taps in our conversions to help make the van look really homely. It features a pull-out hose and 2 different spray modes. The kitchen unit also features these high quality dovetail drawer boxes, coupled with the Blum Movento soft close drawer runners. This is really good quality hardware, making sure that your kitchen stands the test of time. In this van conversion, we've got 6 top cupboards overhead, and that's quite a lot of storage. One of the new features that we've started putting into the vans are these new overhead hinges from Blum. They've got a built-in gas strut and they're also soft close. Blum's a really well-known brand and we're really impressed with the quality of this hardware. Another thing about these overheads are the shelves that we've put into them. A lot of people like having these shelves specifically above the kitchen unit, where they want their mugs on the top shelf and their plates and things on the bottom. We've also finished these off nicely with a piece of hardwood trim. In this case it's walnut. On the overhead cupboards we also put in these touch sensitive downlights. These are dimmable just by press and holding the bezel on the outside. It really allows you to control the lighting in the van of an evening, and it's a feature that we really do like. The shower cubicle in this Rudi layout has a sleek looking contemporary timbre door from the door company. It ties in nicely with the rest of the look and feel of the van, but also doesn't take up much space when it's opened and closed, so it's quite beneficial to the actual feel of the van. Inside the shower cubicle, the medium wheelbase Crafter has a wheel arch sticking into the actual cubicle itself, so by having a custom made stainless steel shower tray we were able to incorporate that and box it in, which even now features a little shelf for you to store things like your shower gel and things like that. We've also fitted a composting toilet from Ogo. It's a really good composting toilet that features an electrical agitator, and it has been really popular with our customers. As with all of our shower cubicles, we fit a heat vent which is supplied by the Truma boiler, and this dries out the area and allows it to turn into a drying room when you need to dry off your wet clothes. The bed is a small double that's 1m20 wide and 1m90 long, and that's been achieved because we've put these flares on the side of the van as well. In the garage space is lots of storage for adventure gear, and they've also got a electrical cupboard which houses their 48 volt gasless setup, a really high spec system including a 105 amp hour 48 volt battery from Roma, which has got 5 kilowatt hours of capacity. There's 8 solar panels on our modular roof rack up on the roof to provide them with that off-grid capable van, and we've also installed a 1500 watt Scotty AI DC-DC charger that when you're driving, every hour your batteries are going to get charged for about 20%, which is really good for topping it up. So that's it for the van conversion tour. I'm really pleased that you joined us. I hope you liked all these new features. Do give us a comment with your thoughts, and I'll see you next time.